light. On that we have 2 payloads and a new NTA that will be RNR'd on EVA2, as Sally said. One thing of note is we do have the power data grapple fixture that's flying on the port sidewall to be installed on Columbus during EVA1 that will facilitate its berthing. Okay, if we can go to graphic 2. In a little bit more detail, you saw this also in Sally's graphic. This is a launch configuration for the ICC Light. ICC Light is actually half the depth of a traditional ICC, and it's the first flight of this hardware. We have 2 European payloads on the Zenith side of the ICC Light, the UTEF and the Solar, and then the new NTA on the Nadir side. If we can go to the next graphic, thanks. This is our return configuration. Again, as Sally had mentioned, the CMG that's currently stowed on ESP2 will be translated and located in the solar spot on the top of ICC Light, and then the spent NTA will be stowed on the Nadir side of ICC Light, and that's what we plan to bring home. Okay, if we have some video. We could roll the video. Columbus arrived at KSC in May of 2006 on board the Beluga plane. You may have seen this previously with 10A. This plane was specifically designed to transport elements to and from ESA to KSC. Here it's being removed from the plane. It will also be used for Node 3 when that happens. And then it's being lifted off. It's off the structure there and placed on a truck for relocation to the space station processing facility down at the Cape. Here it's being removed from that hardware and being installed in its payload rack or its rack work stand for processing down at the Cape, where they insert all the payload racks and internal outfitting. Here you see some MLI fit checks or multi-layer insulation fit checks on the nitrogen tank assembly, just to give you a perspective of its size and what we're going to do with that. With that, I'd like to turn over to Daniele for specifics on Columbus and the ESA payloads.
Thanks, Doug. Yeah, good morning. My name is Daniele Laurini from the ESA office here in Houston.